How to recover your Gmail account if you've forgotten your password and no longer have access to your phone number. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Account Recovery page. Enter your Gmail address and tap Next. Type name. Verification code appear. Google will then ask you to verify or prove that the account belongs to you. Depending on your account, you may see different verification methods, such as confirming on a trusted device, using a recovery email, entering a recent password you remember, or answering other security questions. Keep following the on-screen instructions and complete any verification methods that are available. The options you see may be different from someone else's because Google customizes the recovery process based on your account's security settings, sign-in history, and trusted devices. If you don't have access to your phone number and no recovery options are available, unfortunately, there isn't a legitimate way to bypass Google's verification process. In that case, you'll need to wait until another recovery option becomes available or use a trusted device where you're already signed in. And that's it. That's the official way to recover your Gmail account using Google's account recovery system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Gmail and Google account tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.